Welcome to Value Addition courses under UGCF 2022. Today we will unveil the Value Addition courses. Science and Society. It is 2 credits course. Unit 1 Science and Technology, from Ancient to Modern Times. In this section, students should also be made aware about the contributions of Indian scientists since ancient times and the contributions of women in science. Subtopics are Philosophy of Science, the scientific method, importance of observation, questions and experimental design, rational thinking, myths versus facts. Science, technology and traditional practices. Suggestive areas include water harvesting structures and practices, construction, architecture and design, use of natural environment-friendly designs and materials, agriculture, including domestication of plants and animals. In this section, students should also be made aware about the contributions of Indian scientists since ancient times and the contributions of women in science. Science and technology in modern times. Suggestive areas include public health, nutrition, hygiene, physical and mental health, vaccines and antibiotics, antimicrobial resistance, food security, green revolution, white revolution, IT revolution, e-governance, clean energy, renewable energy, space science and exploration, evolution, ecology and environment. Unit 2, Scientific Principles and Concepts in Daily Life. This section aims to encourage appreciation of the scientific method through observation, experimentation, analysis and discussions. Students are required to participate in activities and experiments. Here is some suggested activities. Observing and documenting flora and fauna of college campus or city. Visits to science laboratories in the college or neighboring college institute. Visits to science museums, planetarium. Visits to biodiversity parks and nature walks. Participation in a citizen science project or initiative. And some suggested experiments for students, minimum any 4. Measuring the height of the college building using a stick. Measuring the curvature of Earth, using distance and shadow length. Isolation of DNA, DNA spooling, observing transpiration and photosynthesis in plants. The blood typing game, online. Are fruit juices, soap, carbonated drinks acidic or alkaline? Using pH strips or developing your own litmus test. Do plants learn and remember? Experiments on how migratory birds find their way. Online. How can a mosquito sit on a water surface, or a blade float on water? How does a submarine dip or rise in the ocean? How and why does the path of the sun in the sky change with the seasons? Identification of celestial objects with the naked eye. Types of clouds, science of musical sounds. Science of splitting of colors from white light, rainbow, CD-RAM, prism, oil films. Lenses, mirrors and the human eye. Hope it's helpful.